Hi, good morning. Ooh. Yes, I look hella crusty, but this is my view. My beautiful, beautiful view. Good morning, guys. So obviously it's the next day, and we just finished making breakfast. These are one of the breakfast plates. I know that's right. And where we eating, inside or outside, just this music is gonna bash me. Let me mute this sound for now. And this is the next plate. That's our breakfast. I'm drinking tea. Ooh, they're busy making coffee here. Can I also get, guys, please do for me.
I thought you don't drink coffee.
No, she does.
I do drink coffee.
Yeah, she does. Starbucks.
That go.
Where's the thing again, sauce?
I'm here. It's like a mini chai. It's giving me Thailand vibes. Land vibes.
The colors, right?
Yeah.
And that little green pot.
Yes.
It's gonna be bitter, just warn you.
Color, there's no sugar, no milk.
There is sugar.
There is sugar, there is no.
I mean, in the tea. In the
It
coffee.
doesn't need a little bit of milk because it's
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't even know what flavor this is. What is it? Okay.
It's just coffee.
Okay.
They flavor after.
Joey forgot to switch off the stove. Why is it? Oh, it's cooling down. Oh, it's cooling down. Yeah, man. It's not true.
Where's this one that was full?
I think the water.
Oh, yeah, this one's drinking.
Sorry?
She has hers already, though.
This one's closed.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. It's pearls.
Ooh, it looks like a little play set.
Yeah! Those little cutie pots.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
Okay, guys, quick update. We are on the way to the North Beach. We are currently late. It's 5 minutes to 9. And the bus is leaving at 9 minutes. I mean, at 9 o'clock. I thought it was leaving at 9:30. So yeah, we late. Hopefully you can catch the next bus. Huh? Oh. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Wearing this cute dress or whatever. With this necklace. And I have this on. With these shades. Julian is always talking about videos and she always complains about her voice. That is okay. We have arrived. This is the bus. And this is the beach, huh? The what?
Then he's the owner of the bus.
Oh, he's the owner of the bus. And this is the beach. Can you please take a video of me? We actually made it. Let me put in the earphones.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit bare. See, I'll leave with every breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it.
We have reached the halfway point of our bus ride. How's it going, guys? Great. This is the entrance of the mall. How's it going? Yes, it really is interesting. So now we're gonna go get snacks and drinks. I don't know. I don't think I want food now. Yeah. Okay. See you guys once we are done.
Of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep.
We are back on the bus.
We'll take a video.
2 hours later.
We are at another stop. Right now we're here where you can see the stadium. That's our bus, by the way. Where is it? It's hidden in the background. My friends are still on the bus. Ugh. I'm here. Ooh, and the lighting looks so nice. The lighting is nice, like from all angles, actually. Ooh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Ooh. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Is it still morning? The lighting looks nice from literally all angles. Ouch. Come, thumbnail. Let's pose. Let's pose. Let's pose. Dude, if you wanna see my kids pose. Oh, let's stand this way so we can see the stadium. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's pose.
But you played it with a beating, beating,
Joke. Keep bringing away my mask. It's cool. Currently at John Dory's. We're here to get lunch, and then as we wait for our boats, which is leaving at 2 o'clock. I don't know how long the cruise ride is, the boat ride is, but yeah, we're here to get food. My phone's about to die, so I might not be able to close off this vlog. But yeah, see you guys on the flip side. You're not being my vlog, Joe.
in the desert. You have my heart and soul. And you played it to the beat. Could have had it all.
Where we at? You wanna know where we at? We outside. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Currently, I'm wearing my jacket because it's very windy. Currently, we are at the harbor. I didn't show you guys the food because the food got there late and we had to go into our boat, and only to find out that the person that booked our boat didn't actually book it. So we at the 1:30, and now we're boarding. Is it even boarding? Yeah, we're boarding the boat.
You have my heart inside, but you played it with a beating, beat it, beat it,
Much later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Sweet time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.
Don't tell me to breathe. Give me a shot. I mean, guys. Oh yeah, idols. Yeah. Oh guys, why didn't we use these sauces? They're nice. Okay, it's my turn. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and down on me? Ooh.